Okay, guys, so this is how they look. Now, omit the mess that I did with the liquid magnetic, with the magnetic liquid lash liner. You must do 3 coats as thick as the band of your eyelashes. That was not what I did, and I had to put a 4th coat, make it a little bit thicker. That's when I was messing up. You guys saw the video. You saw me having a little trouble. But hey, it was my first time, and perfect make, what is that? Practice make perfect, and I will make that happen. But I totally recommend this eyelash kit. It's $14.99. Got it at Target a while ago, and this from the brand EYLURE London. There you go. I got the false mink volume, and I like the fact that they look natural enough for me to work, or natural enough to go out with the hubby, or natural to go eat with the girls. So either way, midday, morning, night, is still a nice look for you to wear. And again, it comes with the eyelashes, your eyelash magnetic liquid, and you're good to go. 3 coats, let it dry and completely dry in between, and you put them on. And the eyelashes, what I like about them, guys, I'm gonna take one out, is the fact, I don't know if you was able to see in the video, that each little corner, it has right here, right here, right here, right here. So it has 4 little magnetic pieces that you can, you know, put on. And it stay on pretty quick. Now, the downsides of this is when you take it out, you have to put, just like the box says, an extra layer of the liquid lash liner. You have to put an extra layer because it will come off when you pull up the lashes. I mean, mine stood. I don't think it's going nowhere, but you have to put an extra layer in order to adhere better, because you know it will remove some of your eyelash liquid. So just saying. Other than that, I totally like the fact that I needed this, but I still used it because since I'm not a pro, I needed this. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. I would love to have you as part of this family here.